Hello everyone. Ever received a .FLA file and felt stuck because you don't have Adobe Animate? Today, we're diving into how to open FLA files without breaking the bank or subscribing to Adobe's ecosystem. We'll explore several alternative options so you can access the content inside those files. Firstly, understand what an FLA file is. It's the source file for Adobe Animate projects, containing all the animation, graphics, and code. Now, let's look at the options. 1. Online converters. Several online tools claim to convert FLA files to more accessible formats like SWF or even video. However, proceed with caution. Uploading your files to unknown websites can pose security risks. Ensure the site is reputable and has good reviews before uploading anything sensitive. 2. Older Adobe Flash versions. Adobe no longer supports Flash Player, but older versions of Adobe Flash Professional, the predecessor to Animate, can still open FLA files. You might be able to find a used copy or an older license online. Remember, security vulnerabilities exist in older software, so use this method offline or in a sandboxed environment. 3. Open source alternatives. Synfig Studio is a powerful, free, and open source 2D animation software. It doesn't directly open FLA files, but it can import some of the assets if you export them from Animate in compatible formats like images or vector graphics. You might need to recreate the animation, but at least you can access the individual elements. Another option is OpenToons. While primarily used for traditional animation, it also supports vector graphics and can be used to reconstruct animations from imported assets. For requesting a different format, the easiest solution is often the most direct. Contact the person who sent you the FLA file and ask if they can export it to a more common format, such as a video, MP4, MOBI, or a GIF. These formats are universally playable and don't require specialized software. If they need to preserve interactivity, they could consider exporting to an HTML5 canvas animation. This generates code that can be viewed in any modern web browser. Another important point is understanding what you need to do with the FLA file. Are you trying to simply view the animation, extract assets, or edit the project? The answer will determine the best approach. Viewing is easiest with converted videos. Asset extraction might require using Synfig or OpenToons. Editing almost always necessitates access to Adobe Animate. Finally, consider your budget and technical skills. Online converters are quick and easy, but risky. Open source software requires learning a new program. Requesting a different format is the simplest solution if possible. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like and consider subscribing for more content. Your support helps us create more videos like this one. Let us know in the comments which method you prefer.